right, guys, so we have an update on the Bullitt. So there was some issues, as you can see. I didn't realize this whenever I put this axle in, but the caliper mounts were for a GT, obviously, and not for a Bullitt or Cobra. And the reason why I'm saying is the brackets, the caliper mounting brackets. These are smaller for the GT than they are on the Bullits. You can see this here, the way that they line up. The Bullitt extend out a little further for the larger rotors than the GT does. You can kind of maybe see there a little bit. So I'm gonna have to take out the axles on the original axle shaft. I take out the axle shafts on the original axle. To do that, I have to remove the C-clips and have an issue with this 8mm bolt stripped out, rounded off. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that off so I can pull the axle shafts, so I can pull off the Bullitt caliper mounts. And yeah, so I got the originals pulled off of the axle that's on the car now, which is the new axle. I got the axle shafts pulled out, caliper mounts off. So now I just need to get off the ones from the old axle and put them on here. I'm wore out. I've had a long day. The front end is done. I just got to put the rotor and the caliper back on. But you can see there, it's got the new Eibach springs. The Eibach struts are on. And the sway bar, heavy duty sway bar. That thing's thick, sucker is thick. So that's all on. I did not do the tie rod ends yet. And I did not do the caster camber plates that are on there. To be honest with you, I just want to get this thing back on the road and get it going. So we'll see what happens. I may, when I take it to go get it aligned, I may have them put the caster camber plates on and the tie rod ends at that point. So it's been a long day, a rough day. I got that disappointing news there on that rear axle. So this thing would be back on the road today if it wasn't for that little hiccup. So sometimes it just doesn't go as planned, guys. So I'll keep you guys updated and let you know what the status is, but I just want to get it back on the road at this point.